Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best business lines of credit. What are the best business lines of credit for you to use in your small business when you're looking at securing additional funding for your business? That's what we're going to be taking a look at here in today's video, and if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can go and check out those links linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into, again, the best business lines of credit. Now, first and foremost, of course, I do want to explain that a business line of credit is a flexible financing option that allows businesses to borrow up to a certain limit, paying interest only on the amount borrowed, similar or like a credit card. It offers a revolving credit that can be used, repaid, and reused, providing a buffer for unexpected expenses or potential business opportunities as you see fit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list. Again, the best business lines of credit. What are the best companies for funding a business line of credit? So we're going to go ahead and hop over to this page here, which this page is done in partnership with money.com, where we rank and put together the list of the best companies for not only just business lines of credit, but also just small business loans in general. Now, this page will be up to date no matter when you're watching this video. If you'd like to follow along and get access to this page, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brendanvalesky.com/best-small business loans. Again, it'll be that first link down below in the video description, and that will take you right over to this page here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into, again, the best companies for business lines of credit, as well as business loans as a whole. So first and foremost, at the top of this list we have here is OnDeck. Now, OnDeck offers up to $250K for established businesses. Now, focusing here in on their lines of credit, their lines of credit can fund instantly, so you can have your line of credit for your business funded instantly with OnDeck. They offer a fast application process with no hard credit pulls, as well as flexible repayment terms with 12, 18, or 24 months. If we take a look here at OnDeck's website, as you can see, they have a very simple online application form where all you have to do is enter in some simple information such as your name, email address, phone number, and estimated gross annual revenue inside your business, and you can apply in minutes with no obligations and no hard credit pulls as well. Now, focusing in here on this video today, we're going to be taking a look at their OnDeck line of credit, as well as focusing in on lines of credit available through a variety of different types of companies in this list. Now, OnDeck does have over 150,000 businesses funded since 2006, with $15 billion delivered across the US and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Now, if we take a look here at their funding options, again, they also do offer term loans, but focusing here on lines of credit for this video, their revolving credit line, you can draw from 24/7 to receive funds within seconds, and they have credit limits all the way from as low as $6,000 up to $100K, and they have flexible repayment terms, like I mentioned before, of 12, 18, 24 months, and is great for ongoing business needs, as we discussed at the top of the video here today. Now, again, they have no hard credit pulls, fast funding, and you can build business credit history. Now, in terms of their minimum requirements, they do require that you are at least 1 year in business, have a business checking account, 100K in business annual revenue, and a personal FICO score of at least 625. If that's not you, then maybe watch along later in this video, and some other lenders might be better match for you, depending on your business specifics. Again, you can go ahead and check out the links linked down below if you'd like to sign up or check out for OnDeck and apply today with OnDeck. Now, taking a look here at next in this list, at number 2 we have is Credibly, and they have funding options for 500 credit score businesses, and they have loans ranging from $5,000 all the way up to $600,000, and they have business lines of credit as well as equipment financing as well, and you can get pre-qualified online in minutes with access to funding in less than 24 hours. Now, for their business lines of credit, if we take a look here at their website, again, they have a very similar online application form. All you have to do is enter in your name, information as well as more specifics around your business, how long you've been generating revenue, things like that, and you do need at least 6 months time in business, a 500 plus credit score, 15K in minimum monthly bank deposits, and the 3-month most recent month's business bank statements to apply. Now, you can get approved in as little as just 2 hours, and in terms of what they offer for the business lines of credit, you can apply once and get access to a revolving line of credit that you can use as needed, and you'll pay interest only on the amount you actually use. Again, they also offer a variety of other types of advances and loans and other financing options, but focusing here just on their business lines of credit, they do have that revolving credit line available able to use as needed. Moving on, next in this list here today we have is Fora Financial. You can receive loan funds within 24 to 48 hours of approval. You can borrow up to 1.5 million with repayment terms of 4 to 18 months, and they can protect your credit score with a soft inquiry during the application process. They also have no hidden fees, making it easy to manage your finances confidently with Fora Financial here. As you can see, a simple online application form, and then you can apply, get a decision, and see what your funding options are available. Now, they do have flexible different terms, no application fees, and you can apply for their business lines of credit as well. Again, depends on your specific needs as far as what you actually need inside your business as to what they may be able to approve you for. Honestly, what I recommend for a lot of you guys looking at different business lines of credit and different business funding is to maybe apply for different companies, see what you qualify for with different opportunities before necessarily sticking to one, and then you can get kind of like a better overall idea as to what you qualify for. Moving along, next in this list we have here today is Advance Point, and they have a wide range of different funding options for your business. You can apply in minutes, and they have transparent application process, no hidden fees, and you can get funded in as little as 24 hours. In some cases, they are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. If you take a look here at Advance Point, now they have a wide variety of different loans and funding options for your business, including lines of credit. Now, you can apply in minutes, again, as we talked here today, and you can get a quote now. Now, in terms of their business lines of credit, what they actually offer here is that for their business line of credit, they have a revolving line of credit available from $10,000 up to $2 million. You can draw money on demand with mobile device or desktop, and they have simple interest-only payments where you pay interest on what you borrow. Again, that is for their business line of credit and what Advance Point offers. They are one of the best in this list for their business lines of credit. In addition to that, they do also offer other types of loans if you're interested in that as well. But really focusing here on their business lines of credit can be a really good option if that's something that you need inside your business. Now, they do also have their online application form, very similar to a lot of the other providers in this list. Moving along, next in this list here today we have is businessloans.com. You can compare multiple offers in less than 3 minutes. Now, business loans does differ a little bit because they aren't necessarily the company providing you the loan, as they are a conglomerate helping you sort of compare different loans and do some of the loan shopping. Now, they have loan amounts up to $3 million with a free application with no credit check, and they have short and long-term loan options available with their on-demand line of credit up to a fixed limit. If we take a look here at business loans, you can see you can select how long you've been in business, enter in your business information, offers, and what types of details that you qualify for from business loans. And in terms of the different offers, of course, for your business, in terms of what they offer, again, you just enter in this simple application form, less than 3 minutes, no impact to your credit score, and compare multiple different offers depending on your business. Now, in terms of the lines of credit, they offer a revolving loan that provides a fixed amount of capital that can be accessed when needed. Unlike a traditional term loan, all or part of a line of credit can be accessed on demand up to a fixed limit. Again, the customer pays interest only on the outstanding principal amount in use. Again, that's their line of credit. In terms of the different types of products that they help compare and shop around for as far as what's available in the market, there are also other loan options available, but that is their line of credit. And you can compare and shop from different banks in terms of what lines of credit are available for you through business loans. Moving on along, next in this list here we have is BlueBridge Financial, and you can get approved in as little as just 4 hours. They have a wide range of loan products available and up to 350K just by filling out the application. They are accredited by the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. If you take a look here at their website, now they primarily offer capital loans and equipment financing. However, you may be able to get a business line of credit through them if you go through their application process. It does depend on what they have available to different business owners. Again, that's sort of their main bread and butter is those things, but you may be eligible for lines of credit if you go through their application process. Again, maybe it might be better looking at other vendors in this list here today, just purely if that's really what you're interested in and that's all that you need. But maybe if you need some other loan options, then you could also, it may be worth applying through BlueBridge, but that's just neither here nor there. Again, it's kind of like an extra thing. It's not necessarily their main product that they really advertise. So do keep that in mind. Moving along, next in this list here we have is Revenued. Now Revenued offers an online tracking platform and personal account manager to keep your goals in check. And they have loan amounts all the way from as low as $5,000 up to $500,000 and average yearly revenue requirements of $250K with a minimum credit score none, right? So a minimum time business to apply is just 1 year. If we take a look at Revenued's site, all you have to do is enter in some basic information, so your name, email address, what your business is referred to, and they offer a flex line and business card built for all businesses. Now this Revenued option is really one of the better options in this list when you're looking at lines of credit, because they not only just offer a flex line but also a business card, which is again kind of more similar to a credit card. It's not exactly the same. It is not a credit card, but it is more similar to that, right? It's a commercial, business card in a way. It's a more of a business commercial card. So that's what the service is. Now, in terms of their flex line and how that works, again, you're in control. So they have an online dashboard where you can easily check your payment calendar, the amount of capital you receive based on the volumes, what you buy, and then the price that you pay. And they also have online support. So you have a dedicated account manager as well, and an easy application process to access your funds. Now, again, their flex line, as you can see, when swiping isn't an option, you can prefer to getting cash. You can check your available balance online and request a cash draw to tap of your finger anytime for their flex line, as well as their Revenued business card, which you can use anywhere, anytime. You can pay for, only pay for what you use at, gas stations, hotels, supply stores, supermarkets, anything that you may need inside your business. Again, Revenued can be a great option for people, especially in the business line of credit, if that's what you're really looking for. Their flex line can be a decent option, as well as their business card. Moving along, last but not least in this list here today is National Funding. Now, National Funding is a Better Business Bureau accredited company with cash as little as 24 hours, and they have loan amounts all the way up to $500K, and they have average yearly revenue requirements of $250K with a minimum credit score of 600 on your FICO, and a minimum time business to apply is 6 months. If we take a look here at National Funding, all you have to do is enter in your name, email, phone number, your estimated gross sales, and then you can go through the process of getting funding for your business. Now, in terms of what they offer, of course, they do have the lines of credit available, as well as regular small business loans. If you take a look at National Funding, again, they do have the small business loans, working capital loans, short-term business loans, equipment financing and leasing, as well as other types of funding options. Now, if you're looking at the working capital and loans like that, you may be eligible for a flex line or some sort of line of credit available for your business through them as well. Again, they work with companies like trucking companies, agriculture, construction, gym and fitness centers, beauty and wellness, restaurants, a wide variety of different types of categories. So you can apply and see what you qualify for. Again, if you're really specifically looking for a business line of credit, you might be better off looking at On Deck or Revenued or Credibly for those three partners, or even Advance Point as well. But if you're interested overall as what kind of business funding you may qualify for, National Funding might be a good option because they do offer a wide variety of different loans and financing options inside your business. Again, that is National Funding. And guys, that is pretty much rounds out this list here today on some of the best companies and small business lenders that offer business lines of credit, as well as just small business loans as a whole. So guys, if you want to get access to this page, again, this is available at that first link down below in the video description. If you'd like to check out this page and check out the companies we mentioned here in today's video, again, all of those are listed and linked in the video description. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.